children, welcome to AIMS India online classes, and from today's subject science we are going to continue with our lesson transport and communication children. Okay, question: taking gifts from a stranger is is a or an. So taking gifts from a stranger who is unknown person, a new person whom we do not know. Okay, so is it a good habit? Is it a bad habit? Is it partially good habit or it is partially bad habit? It is completely bad habit. So you should not take gifts from a stranger. Okay children? Clear? Now 32nd question. Which one of the following is not kept in the first aid box? Which one of the following is not kept in the first aid box? So you know what is a first aid box, children? Okay, so first aid box, like you'll have a minimum things like bandage, okay, some things, medical things, if somebody is going to get hurt in the school or anywhere, no, like on the road or in the shops, okay, they'll be having one first aid kit so that immediately we can treat the person who is hurt. Okay, so in that first aid box, so what is not kept? Is it knife, bandage, safety pins and button? Okay, which is not kept? So safety pins are not kept, and also buttons also we do not keep buttons in the first aid box. Okay children, and even knife also we do not keep in the first aid box. We'll keep scissors, we'll keep bandage, we'll keep some antiseptic syrup, not syrups, and second question children. Which one of the following is not kept in the first aid box? Okay, what is first aid box? Like it is a medical kit. No, like we have minimum basics things when to treat a person who is injured. Okay, suppose if somebody in the school has got himself hurt, so we do not immediately rush to the doctor. First, we'll give them the first aid treatment. Okay, then we'll consult a doctor if the injury is, is danger or is much hurt. Okay, so this first aid box, in this first aid box, which one of the following is not kept? Knife, bandage, safety pins and button. So you do not keep knife children, you do not keep safety pins, you do not keep button. You'll have scissors, you'll have some antiseptic liquid. Suppose if you have hurt, to just pour some liquid on that particular wound so that it is not going to get septic. So we'll have some antiseptic liquid and sometimes even some tablets also. Okay, like paracetamol and all that. Okay, so some painkiller also. So this all will be there in the first aid box, but not knife, safety pins and button. Okay, clear children? Now, which one of the following is a means of communication? Which one of the following is a means of communication? Telephone, mobile phone, both A and B, and bus. Okay, which one of the following is a means of communication? Then, so it is both A and B. Now, telephone is also a means of communication and mobile phone is also a means of communication, no? Where we are able to talk to somebody, we are able to send and receive messages, no, from our friends and relatives. So, and answer is both A and B. 34th question. Telephones within the country are connected by. Telephones within the country are connected by. So is it STD? Sorry children. Is it STD, local, IST or none of these? So telephones in the sense like our phone connectivity. So if you want to talk to the persons who are within our country, so you'll be having one type of connection. If you want to talk to the persons who are in the other countries, you will be having a different type of connection. So here we are talking about within the country. So then the answer is STD. That is speed trunk dialing. Okay children, STD. So this connection is there within the country to talk with our friends and relatives. Clear children? Now the last question for today. Telephones across the countries are connected by. Telephones across the country are connected by. Is it STD, local, ISD and none? So across the country, in the sense like from country to country, again country to country, if people want to talk with their friends and relatives, so what is that connection? It is ISD. Okay children, it is ISD. Within the country is STD, across the countries is I. So we have already covered 35 questions. Today we are going to complete the rest of the questions. 36th question here is, which of the following helps us to send and receive instant messages? So which of the following helps us to send and receive instant messages? So here, and the answer is like pager. Okay, so postal letter, radio, television and pager, these are all the four options and the correct answer is pager. Okay, so this is also one type of means of communication children, where you can send and receive instant messages. 37th question, dash is very useful for the communication for the people working in police and army. Have you seen children police, like especially traffic police? You might have been seeing them on the roads. They'll be carrying one type of phone. No, so which that is very useful for the police people and also the army people for communicate. Okay, for communicate with the others within their department. Okay, so what is that? Is it newspaper, wireless communication, television and telegram? It is B, that is wireless communication. It is very useful for the communication for the people working in police and army. Okay children, so wireless communication is the answer. 38th question, sound and pictures can be broadcast through. Sound and pictures. Now you'll be also having the sound and you can also see the picture. These two can be broadcast through newspaper, radio, television or fax, and the answer is C, television. Okay children, clear? And 39th question, which of the following correctly represents the correct order of development of devices of communication since the old times? See children, like from olden times, like ancient times, so we are having communication, means of communications, no? But earlier we had one type, again we had as the days and as the technology has been developed, no, so we were having different type of means of communications. Now what we have to do is, you have to put it in a correct order. First, what type of communication was used, again after that what came, and after that what came. Okay, so let us see that. So actually first children, there was letter. Okay, so there was letter, and then after that newspaper came, after that radio came, after that television. So first letter was invented, then newspaper was invented, and then radio was invented, and then television was invented. After television, then you have this computer was invented. No, so like that. So this is A is the correct option. That is the correct answer. Okay children. 40th question, STD means. STD means. So earlier we had this answer STD. No. Why do we use STD or where do we use? So this is a telephone connection, children, where we are going to use it within the country. No, STD. So what is the abbreviation of this STD? Is it standard trunk dialing, state level trunk dialing, subscriber trunk dialing, or specific trunk dialing? And the answer is subscriber trunk dialing. That is yes, T and D is nothing but subscriber trunk dialing. Clear, children? Now, ISD means ISD. So what is this ISD? Where we are going to have a telephone connection across the countries. No, I mean you can talk to other country people. No, so this connection is known as ISD. And what is the abbreviation? ISD stands for International Subscriber Dialing, Interstate Subscriber Dialing, Indian Subscriber Dialing, Internet Subscriber Dialing. And the answer is International Subscriber Dialing. Clear, children? Now 42nd question is, with the help of the latest mobile phone services we can. So latest mobile phone services, these days, our work has become very easy through mobile phones. So these mobile phones are providing special services. No, because of these services we are very much benefited. No, they are helping us very much. So they are making our work very easy. So what is that help? Either check our bank account, shoot photographs and share them, listen to radio, or all of these. So actually all of these. No, if you have a mobile phone with you, without going to bank, you can check your bank account. Okay, you can shoot photographs. If you want to take a photograph of any beautiful scenery or anything which you like at your home or outside your home or for yourself, so you can shoot photographs and you can just immediately share everybody in the sense to your friends and relatives your photographs. No, so you'll feel very happy and even they also feel very happy to see them. And you can also listen to the radio. Okay, so you can also you have much more advantages, children. You can pay your current bills also, you can do online shoppings also. No, so all of this is the correct answer, D. 43rd question, if you send photograph in an email from India to a friend in Japan, how long will it take to reach? Okay, so if you want to send a photograph, you have now you are having a mobile phone with you and you have taken a photograph and you want to send it in an email. What is that? Electronic mail. And you are in India, your friend is in Japan. So if you send an email to your friend who is in Japan, how long will it take to reach? How long will it take to reach? So is it within a few seconds? From a few minutes to an hour? From a few days to a week? Or from a few weeks to a month? The answer is within a few seconds. Within a few seconds. So that is why we say that email is the fastest means of communication. Okay, so within a few seconds it is going to reach your friend. 44th question, children. Today's world depends mainly on today's world. No, so the modern world where everybody have got mobile phones, smartphones. No, technology is much developing now, children. Yes, so this world, today's world depends mainly on post, telephone, internet, or all of these. And the answer is internet. No, post is like letters. Okay, writing letters and posting them. Telephone is like a normal telephone. But even if you have a telephone, either a mobile phone, so if you are not having internet facility, So you will not be able to do all these activities like checking your bank account and listening to your radios. Listening to your radio also is possible, but some advanced facilities like shooting the photographs and sending to your friends, sharing information with your friends. Okay, children. So paying online fees, all that. So that is why we mostly depend on internet. Okay, so to make our work easy. Clear, children? And which of the following is or are audio visual mode of communication? Audio video, audio visual, or audio visual is nothing but video. Okay, mode of communication. So is it television, computer, radio, both A and B? So the answer is yes, B. A and B, both. Why? Because even through television, you can listen and you can watch the picture or whatever it may be, programs. Even through computer also, so your computer also you can listen and you can see the pictures. Picture is not the movie picture, any picture, no. So this is possible through both, that is television and computer. Clear, children? Now, 46th question. John Gutenberg brought about a revolution in the field of communication by inventing. See this person, John Gutenberg. Okay, he has invented a particular object. Okay, and because of that there was a revolution in the field of communication. So because of this has become very famous, and this has brought so many changes in the field of communication. So what is that? The telephone, the radio, the printing machine, and the television. Okay, children, and the answer is it is the printing machine. Okay, John Gutenberg has invented the printing machine, by which it has become, because of this printing machine, what happened? Newspaper was able to print it, magazines, so many magazines are printed. So much of communication and information has been spread all over the world. Okay, children, clear? So C is the correct answer. Which of the following is a very important part of modern life? Okay, 47th one. Which of the following is a very important part of modern life? Is it running? Is it communication? Is it rumination, or all of these? And the answer is communication. No. So communication in the sense all will come. Like you have the television, you have the radio, you have the internet, you have the computer. So all this is nothing but communication, and all these have become very much important in our modern life. Okay, now the 49th question. Dash is very useful in communication for the people working in police and army. So already we have got this, children. Okay, but it has been repeated. So we have already learned that wireless communication is very useful, no, for the people who are working in police and army. 50th question. Both sound and pictures can be broadcasted too. Okay. So this also we have already got. This question also we have already got. I think it is repeated. Let me check once again. Okay. So only again this question is also repeated, children. Both sound and pictures can be broadcasted through what? Television. No. So C is the correct answer here. Okay, now level 2 question. Carefully you have to listen to the question, children, so that even when you get, you will be able to answer it in a correct way. Rahul is visiting his friends who is admitted in a hospital. On his way to hospital, he gets confused to take which route. He then studies the map. Which of these symbols, that is D, E, F, G. Here you're having the symbols D, E, F, G. No, every one symbol stands for a particular like a particular place. Okay, so on the map. So which of these symbols on map will help him in locating the hospital? Okay, children. So the answer is the D, that is A. Plus symbol. Plus symbol is nothing but hospital. Because here Rahul want to visit his friend, no, who is in hospital. So as he was not able to find the way correctly and he was confused, so he was able to locate the exact locality through this map, through this sign which was there on that particular map. Okay, children. So this is for hospital place. Now, 52nd question. Which of the following vehicles is specially designed for disabled? Disabled. They are not, physically disabled persons. Like they'll be having some problem with any of their physical organs, children, like hand, like leg. Okay. So we call them as disabled persons. Okay. And they are specially abled persons actually. So which of these vehicles is designed for them? So then if you see, this is like a cart and a bus, and again one another type of vehicle, again here a tractor. So C is the correct answer. So see here, children, so this you might have seen such type of vehicles on the roads where this disabled persons are going to use it. Okay, so this C is the. Okay, children, we are going to end with this question here. We will be continuing with much more questions in the next session. Until then, take care and goodbye.